I just wanted to bring it closer to me.
And you're gonna touch it.
I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love. Yeah, yeah. Some people say money gets you.
Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. It has been a long morning. Hubby and I went to town, and we went to our big town that we had to go to, which is about an hour and a half away, to do the majority of our shopping. And the rest of this evening is gonna be all cooking. I've got a lot of stuff that I need to get cooked up in the kitchen. So we're gonna head inside. I'm gonna show you what I got going on right now, what else we're gonna be doing this evening in the kitchen. All right, friends, so we're outside first because I got to get started on tomorrow's dinner, and tomorrow we are going to be having some brisket. That is like our absolute favorite red meat to have is brisket. So I've got the smoker preheating, and we're going to go ahead and put this brisket on there. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic about an hour and a half ago, so it's been sitting in the refrigerator just marinating in all those delicious flavors. And then we're gonna go ahead and get it started on the smoker, and this is gonna smoke all night long. Low and slow makes the absolute best and juiciest brisket. About to put this brisket on the smoker and get it ready to go. All right, friends, so the other day my neighbors brought over 4 big bags of apples. So I decided to go ahead and start working on the apples yesterday, and I was able to can 7 quart-sized jars of apple pie filling. So I'm gonna go ahead and use one of those that didn't seal. The rest are down in the pantry. The one that didn't seal, I went ahead and put in the refrigerator because I'm gonna use that today, and we're gonna make an apple pie. I have not made an apple pie ever in my life, so this is the first time making apple pie using the apple pie filling that I made yesterday. So let's go ahead and get started on that apple pie right now. All right, friends, so this is the apple pie filling that I made, and we're gonna go ahead and assemble this pie really quick and really easy. I've got my glass pie dish, and I'm gonna be using store-bought pie crust because I don't know how to make it. I'm gonna work on that this winter, and hopefully I'll come up with a good pie crust that I can make myself. But for today, we're gonna use store-bought. All right, so now I just need to go ahead and open up my jar and pour in my apple pie filling. And it is perfect, fits in there just right. And I'm gonna go ahead and take the second one and put it over the top of it, and we're gonna go ahead and bake it in the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off any extra that's hanging over. I'm gonna go ahead and make your vent holes at the top, and I'm gonna get this going in the oven. All right, friends, so I've got my oven preheating to 425, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the pie in there, and it's gonna bake for about 40 to 45 minutes until it's golden brown on the tops. And if you notice it starts getting a little bit too dark on the edges, go ahead and put some foil around there to stop it from burning your crust. So we'll see y'all back in about 45 minutes. All right, friends, so I just pulled this out of the oven. It is boiling hot. So we're gonna let it go and rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And then we will go ahead and cut into it and see how it tastes. Babe, it's hot.
I just wanted to bring it closer to me.
And you're gonna touch it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut into this apple pie and give it a try. All right, we're gonna give this a try. It's still really, really hot. Steam is just coming off of it. Oh wow, that's really good. So the only difference I'm gonna make next time to my recipe is I will thicken it a little bit more with the cornstarch because it's a little bit runny. So I'll definitely thicken it a little bit more next time, but it tastes really, really good. And some vanilla ice cream on top would definitely elevate it to the next level. Brisket is finally done. It took about 13 hours for it to fully cook, and it smells amazing. All right, so my thick side, I'm gonna cut opposite of what I originally cut. Make sure you have a sharp knife. this is gonna be good for a very long time. Alright friends, thanks for hanging out with me today in the kitchen. I didn't get as much done as I originally wanted to, but that's what happens. Life on the homestead, you just gotta roll with it. So I did end up doing a bunch more of that canned apple pie filling, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a separate video just on that so I can show you exactly what I did. And it turned out so good. I was able to tweak the thickness of the goo with adding some more cornstarch. So I'll go ahead and do that video on another day. Until next time friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.